Hello everyone, this is Nushat and welcome back to my YouTube channel LK Tutorial. As we know that these days we are doing voices. आजकल हम voices कर रहे हैं. In voices we have done present tense completely. Present tense completely we have done present, indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. Even past indefinite we have also done. In this lecture video we will do past continuous tense. Okay. So that I told you before that it is totally based on tenses. अगर past continuous tense का structure formula you know well, then you can do voices very easily. Okay, so let's understand what is past continuous tense और हम past continuous tense related कैसे passive voice में से convert करेंगे. For example, the cow was giving milk. गाय दूध दे रही थी. This is past continuous. Then milk was given by the cow. Milk cow के द्वारा दिया जा रहा था. Okay, so this is what? Passive voice. Got it now? So let's understand first of all its structural formula. A structural formula of past continuous tense: subject plus was verb plus verb ing plus object. Okay, this is the structural formula of past continuous tense. And you know its Hindi is रहा था, रहे थे, रही थी. For example, the cow was giving milk. First of all, let's understand the structural formula of passive voice of past continuous. Past continuous tense के हम passive voice का structural formula जानने की कोशिश करते हैं first of all. So you know I told you that in passive voice object become subject and subject become object. So object को हम subject बनाएंगे here. Object plus was verb plus being plus verb third plus by plus subject. Got it? Got it? Once again they are attending the class. Okay? वो हमारे साथ वो भी अपना क्लास स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. That's why they start barking. भाग करना शुरू कर देते हैं. बस let's do. हमें तो अपना काम करना है. Okay? The cow was giving milk. गाय दूध दे रही थी. The cow was giving milk. The cow was giving milk. The cow was giving milk. Got it? Now we have to change into passive voice. तो PV में हम क्या करेंगे? First of all, object. This is subject and this one is object. So we'll write down here milk. Milk के साथ हम was use करेंगे. So milk was, then being. Milk was being. Then verb third. Give का verb third. Given. Milk was being given by subject. Subject is the cow. By the cow. Got it? Milk was being given by the cow. Totally based on this structural formula. Let's see no more question. He was not teaching me. He was not teaching me. वह मुझे नहीं पढ़ा रहा था. He was not teaching me. It is negative. ये negative है. This sentence ये negative sentence में है. Past continuous है but in negative. So how will it change into passive voice? Same way, this is object. ये subject है. Now let's understand what is object? Me. So me will be changed into I. I then was. If here is not, so हम यहाँ पे not add करेंगे. I was not. Then in negative there will be not. So I was not being teach. What is the verb third of teach? Taught. I was not being taught. Then by, then subject. He will be changed into him. Him. Okay. So I was not being taught by him. Is it clear? Next. They were not playing cricket. They were not playing cricket. वे क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे थे. So how will you change into passive voice? सब passive voice में कैसे करेंगे? Same way. This is subject. This is object. So first of all we will write on here object. So cricket, this was, then not, cricket was not being, here is being, then verb 3, verb third of play, played. Cricket was not being played, then by, then subject. They will be changing to them. Cricket was not being played by them. Got it? So present, so present continuous tense का simple statement clear. Negative sentence is also clear. Now we will learn how to change into interrogative sentence also. Passive voice में interrogative sentence को हम कैसे convert करेंगे? Let's understand. There is also other, a structure formula of interrogative sentence. First of all, was, were, then object, then being, then verb third, then by, then subject. For example, first question, were you flying kites? Were you flying kites? क्या आप पतंग उड़ा रहे थे? Were you flying kites? This is past continuous tense statement. Interrogative. Now we have to change into passive voice. So for just look here. This is object. This is subject. So object will come first. Object पहले आ जाएगा. So kites है. So there kites के साथ हम what will you add? Were. Obviously were. So were. Then object kites. Were kites. Then being, were kites being flown. Verb third of fly is flown. Were kites being flown by, subject is you. Were kites being flown by you. Because you में you को हम चेंज नहीं करते. Subject passive voice और active voice दोनों में you as it is होता है. Next, who was cooking food? Who was cooking food? खाना कौन बना रहा था? Who was cooking food? Got it? Who was cooking food? This also in interrogative sentence, but WS family में है. So when there is WS family, हम क्या करेंगे? पहले WS family की writing करेंगे, but who के साथ हम we write by before. So by whom, who is changing to whom? By whom was, then subject, object. By whom was food being cooked? By whom was food being cooked? Question mark. Let's see one more example. Two more example. Were they writing a letter? क्या वे पत्र लिख रहे थे? Were they writing a letter? Question mark. Then what is the object here? A letter. So a letter के साथ what will you use? Was. So was a letter. Was a letter. Then being. Was a letter being written? Verb third. Being written by then. Question mark. Next. How were they solving sums? How were they solving sums? वे sums कैसे कर रहे थे? How were they solving sums? Now we have to convert these WS family into passive voice. तो इसके लिए भी हम कुछ rules है, कुछ structure formula है. Let's understand first of all. WS family का structure formula क्या होता है? So WS family means what, why, where plus was, were plus object plus being plus verb third plus by plus subject. Okay. So here, how were they solving sums? Sums object है. Okay. They subject. Now we have to change into PV. Passive voice. So WS family how है? So as it is, it will be here. How. Then sums. Object is sums. Sums के साथ we will add here were. तो how were, then object, how were sums, then being, how were sums being solved. Solve, third form of solve is solve. So how were sums being solved by them? Got it? So I hope you are understanding it. So once again, go on practicing it. It's too easy and it's very interesting also. So I'll meet you in my next video with next kinds of tenses. Okay? So till then, bye bye.